Hey guys, welcome back to TheStruggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have an amazing flex tool deal that I want to share with you. You get a starter kit, you get a free item, and I wanted to make a video just for this, and I have one bonus deal to share with you at the end, because the last time I saw this deal from Lowe's, it lasted less than 24 hours, and they had pulled it down. Don't know why, what happened, but it came back. It's supposed to be good for the next 2 days. I know a lot of you guys are flex tool buyers, so you're interested in this lineup. And this is a really good deal because you're getting the starter kit at $99, but most of the bare tools that are free options are worth more than $99 to begin with. So even if you don't care about the starter kit, you may be getting the bare tool that you want for cheaper than if you just went in the store. Now, right now it is in stock, but you might have to buy online, pick up in store if the online availability goes away. So it's $99. I'll have the YouTube shopping link popping up if anyone's interested, and we'll look at these free options. Then I have the one bonus deal that I want to share with you, and we're going to do a full deal video later in the day. I just wanted to get this out because, like I said, the last one didn't last very long, and I want you guys to take advantage of the best deals you can. So let's get it out there, put it in front of you in case you're interested. So we got the circular saw, angle grinder, jigsaw. SDS Plus is a really good use for this. There was another one that I saw that I really liked in here. They have a bandsaw somewhere, like the router would be kind of good. You got the impact wrenches. There's the bandsaw would be a nice use for it. And you can get more than one. You're not limited to just one item here. And it's supposed, here it says it expires on the 17th, which is today. But somewhere else I saw, oh, maybe it's just the sale price on this ends on the 19th. So you may only have today to take advantage of this, but really good deal if you're in Flex's lineup. The 2.5 isn't, it's like middle porridge a little bit. It's a little bit on the smaller side, but it's better than some of the other deals that we see with the free starter kits. But $99, man, it's really hard to argue with that, with those bare tool options you're getting there. So again, you may have to find a local store with stock, buy online, pick up in store, but either way, really good. Now, the one bonus deal, and I'm going to link this one in the description down below, but it's one of these battery-operated fuel transfer pumps, and I don't have this exact brand, but the one I have looks just like it. I actually have 3 of these. One of them looks just like this, same color scheme and everything, and then the other 2 are black and blue, but even though the blue one and this one, I can't tell the difference in them. I think they're the exact same thing other than the color. So it's normally $18. It's down to $9.98, and I even did a video on my second channel here, TheStruggleville 2, where I showed you using this guy. Now, I have a couple of them because, well, first off, having diesel and gas, it's just easier. This is my diesel one, this is my gas one. Keep it with the individual cans, and it just seems simpler that way. But these run off of either, I think it's either C or D batteries, does it say in here? 2 D batteries or 6 AA's. I'm running mine on 6 AA's, and I've had it for a couple of months now, and I haven't had to change the batteries. So it's definitely not a battery hog. Of course, I'm splitting time between using 3 different ones, but that's beside the point. You do got the little squeeze handle, so when it's running, it's a little stopper there, although mine leaks a little bit even when this thing isn't being squeezed, so I just turn it on and off with the switch and don't even care about this, because there's a little lock mechanism, and that's actually how mine is right now. It's just locked on all the time, and I just turn it on and off with the switch right there, but it works perfect. This thing fits in my 5-gallon jerry can, and then I also have your, like, traditional plastic ones. But, like, if you look at this video, this Kubota tractor, the gas for that is, for me, like up to my neck. It's almost my height. So, you know, if you have a 5-gallon gas can, it's like 40 pounds or something close to that. That's a lot to like pick up over your head and then tilt over without spilling it all over the place. So this thing makes it super simple. I actually just set the can where your feet sit, and then the hose is long enough to just reach in there and give it a go. And then on that Huey mini excavator that I have, the gas tank is on top of the engine, and that thing gets just so hot. The first time my dad and I were refilling the gas can on that, we're spilling gas all over the place, because it's not just at the top on that Huey, it's down in a tunnel. You're going up, and then you're going down, like, into a hole. And I'm just looking at this steaming hot engine and pouring gas all over it, like, this isn't good. This is bad. So that was before I had any of these. And that's actually what prompted me buying the first one is like, nah, I can't keep pouring gas on a hot engine. I feel like I'm pushing my luck on that. So it works perfect for that one as well. Anyways, for $10, I really like it. One of my favorite deals. So I just wanted to include that with the flex. Again, we're going to do a full deal video here. I'm still looking up deals for the day, but wanted to get that out to you before it goes away. Hopefully you guys get a chance to take advantage of it. $99 for the starter kit and all those tool options. I just really like it. So again, you may have to buy online, pick up in store, but I'm hoping it lasts a while for you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.